everyone and welcome back to another video on Florasway channel. Today we have the Hohem Isteady M7 Gimbal for a video review. The Hohem Isteady M7 Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphone comes with many new features. A magnetic AI tracker with built-in fill light, a detachable touchscreen AI imaging remote controller with a big payload capacity and built-in extension pole. The gimbal can support a maximum payload of 500 grams. This means it can easily accommodate all smartphones on the market. I tried it successfully with my Samsung S24 Ultra and the motors of the gimbal worked perfect. The Isteady M7 features a large battery that is claimed to shoot up to 12 hours. That's much longer than your average mobile gimbal, which will do a good job lasting half of that. Finally, you can use the Hohem Isteady M7 and its battery to recharge your phone. One of the most significant upgrades of the Hohem Isteady M7 is the 1.4 inches OLED full-color touchscreen. The OLED touchscreen is addictively bright, so you don't have to worry about struggling to read any of the text while actively using the gimbal. The remote control distance can reach up to 10 meters, and there is no need to run back and forth for shooting. It is not only a magic weapon for individual combat, but also greatly improves the efficiency of team collaboration. Hohem is at the forefront of the industry with its state-of-the-art AI tracking algorithms, providing exceptional precision in multi-target recognition and tracking. Today, Hohem breaks new ground by integrating visualized AI imaging with a remote control. Paired with the AI tracker, this innovation allows for remote target selection and tracking along with precise control. The resolution of the AI camera has been upgraded to 2 million and the pen control, computing power and processor have been greatly upgraded. No matter how the target moves or is blocked by other objects, or even moves out of the picture, it can accurately identify, follow and lock it firmly. Double-click the controller screen to select and lock any subject, and work with the AI tracker to achieve native tracking shooting with any mobile phone app. AI automated camera movement eliminates the need for photographers to pay too much attention to steps and pace, greatly simplifying the creative process and improving shooting efficiency. Thanks to its built-in AI vision sensor, the AI tracking can be activated without gimbal app in all mobile apps, including the native camera app and beauty apps. Just make the gesture OK to initiate auto tracking and make the gesture palm to stop tracking. The AI tracker has a fill light RGB and is magnetically attached to the arm of the gimbal. The fill light offers CCT and RGB modes and is activated via a long press of the control wheel. In CCT mode, the brightness and color temperature 2700 to 6500 K can be adjusted, and in RGB mode, the color value and brightness. The M7 comes with a built-in extension pole that allows seamless transitions between height and low angles, capture wider perspectives and achieve smooth movements without the need for additional gear, and effortlessly enhance your shooting experience and never miss a moment of brilliance. The Hohem Isteady M7 also comes with a dedicated smartphone app called Hohem Joy, which allows users to control various settings and modes. This app is free on iOS and Android and easy to install. In addition to motion controls, you'll get a number of other benefits. The app has a user-friendly interface and it provides access to advanced features such as time-lapse, motion lapse and tracking modes. One of the most noticeable advanced features is the inception mode, which allows users to make incredible inception effect as the pan motor can rotate 360 degrees in all directions. This mode is specially designed for creative shots. The Hohem Joy app works great with my Samsung S24 Ultra, and I have had no issues without the app. Overall, the Hohem Isteady M7 is an advanced and high-end gimbal stabilizer that can help smartphone users take smooth and professional cinematic videos with ease. With its upgraded anti-shake system with a magnetic fill light integrated with AI vision sensor with the 1.4 inches OLED full-color touchscreen with easy-to-use app and various advanced features such as inception mode and control buttons, it's a great choice for anyone looking to step up their smartphone videography game. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. And finally, what do you think about the Hohem Isteady M7? Let me know in the comment section underneath the video. Thank you, bye!